Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring, run Lighthouse or CRUX and record CLS, LCP, and FID or INP. Focus first on blocking scripts and render path assets. Once measured, enable HTTP/2 or HTTP/3 and compress responses with Brotli. This lowers latency. Then defer or async non-critical JavaScript so the browser can paint sooner. Preload your hero image and key fonts to reduce layout shifts. These moves give immediate wins and create a clear target for deeper optimizations. Now you dig into the middle steps. Audit the critical render path and split large bundles with dynamic imports so only needed code runs on first load. Convert images to AVIF or WebP and serve responsive SRC set sizes. Test 1/2 and full quality to balance bytes versus clarity. Reduce main thread tasks by offloading heavy computation to web workers and tree-shaking unused libraries. Make sure to rerun lab tests after each change to verify LCP and input responsiveness improvements. Finish by deploying caching and delivery. Put static assets on a CDN, set cache control long TTLs, and use stale while revalidate where appropriate. Then instrument real user monitoring to track core vitals and set alerts for percentage regressions. If you see backsliding, isolate the offending release, roll back if needed, and profile the main thread to find blocking tasks. Make sure to compare before and after traces. That tells you why a change affected LCP or input latency and where to focus next.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.